Okay, well, welcome back, Cyberpatriots. So today we're going to be going over Ubuntu user auditing, which is making sure that only authorized users and admins are allowed on this machine. And let's just go straight into it. So I'm going to teach you the traditional way, or the first way you could remove unauthorized users and admins. So first step as always is we want to check our README, because that tells us who's authorized and user and admins. So we open that up. And then we can see here our users, our authorized peeps. And then next, what I'm going to do is open up my nifty terminal. I'm going to put it to the side so I can have the terminal running and I can see the list at the same time. Good. Alright. So here's how you could do it the first way. So this is the way you can do it the first way. So you can go from here to the /home and then ls. And if you didn't know, this every user has their own folder at /home, right? So from here you can see every user that's allowed on the machine, or is on the machine. So we can do is also compare this to this. So let's go. So okay, let's go start right now. So C3PO, allowed user, Han, unauthorized user, Django, unauthorized user, and authorized. Never mind. Luke, authorized. Mao. Nope. Okay, so there we find our first first alert. So let's go remove that guy, because obviously he's not here on the list. So to do that, you do the command make it bigger. So sudo del user, and then the user, this is the name of the user. Oop, I mistyped it. Miles. Type in your admin password. And now we moved Mao. So let's keep going. So Padme, authorized. R2D2, authorized. TR8R, TRAR. Nope, not allowed. So let's go remove that guy too. So up arrow to go to the previous command. And this time put TR8R. Alright, remove him. Keep going. Finn, allowed. Jabba. Where is he? Jabba. Nope, no Jabba. So let's move that guy as well. Jabba. Awesome. So we have Leia. There she is. We have Leia. Okay, we authorized. Mando, authorized. Obi-Wan, authorized. Palpatine. Nope. Not here. So let me just double check as well. The Palpatine. So you want to make sure you're right. Okay, so Palpatine. There we go. Another user removed, and an array. Array is allowed. So that should conclude users. Now it's time for admins. So terminal again. So this is the terminal way of doing it. What you could do is a command called members and sudo. And what this is a command that displays the users of a group. So this is not installed, so we're gonna have to install it. App install members. It's installing it. Since again, sometimes it's some commands that you're using to secure the machine are not there, so you just install it. No big deal. Okay, now we have it installed, so let's try it again. Members, sudo, and here it displays a sudo group. And what sudo is, I guess if I haven't explained it well, sudo is the admins and the admin group. So as you can see, we have 3 admins: Mando, Han, and Django. So obviously we go look at our reference. Mando's allowed, so he's good. However, Han and Django aren't on the list, and we're missing Luke, Leah, and Ray on the group. So we're gonna go ahead and remove them and add them. So first of all, let's remove Han and Django. So similar step with deleting user, except there's an extra step. So sudo del user, let me just make it. Okay, so sudo del user. Let me display. Okay. Sudo del user, the user, and then the group. So in a sentence, it would be like, with administrative privileges, I want to delete the user Han from the group sudo. Boom. So the same with Django. Boom. And then to go add a user to the group, we just simply do add user this time, and then the user you want to add. So you want to add Luke, Leia, and Ray. Cool. So that should conclude just the user auditing to make sure only authorized user and admins are allowed on the machine. And we should go over to our scoring report to see if we got everything correct. Okay, so now we can see that we ended up getting points for a couple things. So we got points for removing these unauthorized users, Jabba, TR8R, Mao, and Palpatine. We got a points for having Ray as an admin, and then we got a point for removing these two from admin. So obviously it didn't give us points for every single thing that we did, so that's fine. That's what they do in Cyberpatriot. But they'll give you points as long as you did something from the category, obviously. Alright, so this concludes the command way, as I call it. The command way of doing user auditing, which is removing unauthorized users and removing unauthorized admins. See you then. To the next video.